If you own your own hair salon, I'm going to show you how to stay organized with managing your bookkeeping, which is your income and expenses, your inventory to make sure that you have all the items in stock, any orders you have, and there's a price list. This sheet is available in my website at savvyandthriving.com. It's available on Google Sheets and Excel. So I'm going to show you how this works. So first, we are on the Overview tab. This is your dashboard to help you to see what your income and expenses are for the year. You can see at the top your total annual income and your total annual expenses. And if you click on this, you can see your income by month. And you can click on this chart, you can see your expenses by month. You can manually put in your profit goal. Everything else is coming in on automatically from a formula from this transactions log. So this is going to show you your income and expenses by month. So you can see your income, your expenses, your tax, and your net profit. And then you can see the repeat of your income and expenses here. Now, if this happens to not be 2026 when you come in here and you buy this sheet from me, you can come up to the formula box and put a 7. It will change your year all the way down for you. So those are the only changes you would want to make to this dashboard. Your transactions log is really simple and straightforward. So we can come in and put a date. We can put the type, so we can put a service. We can choose whether or not it's an income or expense. Let's say it's an income. Let's say this is a haircut and this is a haircut for Jane. And then let's say it's $55 for the income. You spent $4 on product, and then the tax you spent was $5.50. Net profit for that haircut is $45.50. Now it will also show you your annual income, expense, and tax totals, and your net profit for the entire year, so you can stay organized. Okay, this next one is really great because this is your inventory checklist. I have this set up by category. So this is entryway, your tools, your equipment, your replenishables. I have nails, hair equipment, and a shopping list. So very simply, what we're doing is just tracking what you have and what you don't have. This is really great to track for your tax accountant because he's going to say, hey, what's your total inventory value that you have in your store? And without having to manually calculate everything every time, you've got it ready for them. And you can say, hey, my inventory value is $6,700. So go back to the entryway. Say this is an indoor sign. I have one of them. It cost me $15. If I had 2, you can put a quantity of 2, and then the value would calculate to $30 for you. And you can check it off as you've gone through and made sure, is it updated? Have I checked it? That sort of thing. Now, scrolling down, you can change any of these. So if you happen not to do nails in your salon, you can change this to something else, and then you can calculate your inventory based on that. And then this is a shopping list, as you're going through and saying, hey, what do I need more of? Do I need more shampoo? Do I need conditioner? Do I need hairspray? Whatever, and then check it off as you buy it. I've got a place here for notes if you wanted to take notes, and then this is also to help you to track if you have nail polish as well. Again, you can change that if you don't have nail polish to something else. You can put the brand, the type, quantity, price, and the value, and then you can also say, is this low stock or no stock, or is it in stock? And then here on the very right, this is another place for products. So super, super helpful and very customizable as well. This is an inventory checklist that everything is blank and ready for you to put everything in. This is an order tracker. This is just to help you to track, what happened and what orders did I get that day. And orders meaning, what services did I complete. So let's put in the date. What category did I do? Hair, nails, or something else? Let's say hair. I did 1. It cost me, $5 for a haircut. I sold it for $55. No discount, and then net profit of $49.50. Customer's name was Jane. Here's her address, her email, and then she came on the 21st. And then, she's a regular. This can also help you to keep track of your total profit. All right, this is also a price list. This is printable and editable as well. So if we wanted to put, products, whatever we're selling, regular shampoo, 35. And then that way you can print this out. You can put this on display somewhere as well. So that's how this sheet works. This is a super simple sheet to use. I have lots of other sheets that can help you with your business, with your home, your budget. Check out my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have over 400 sheets to keep you organized. You guys have a wonderful day.